Chattanooga. As you can see, there is Knoxville, Tennessee, downtown right there. Rolling on in there. Not sure if you can see me or not. What up? There's a wall over here. Right here on this porch. M's in a foxhole. Can't really see her in the foxhole. I'm in between these two bars right here. Safest place to ride. Trying to hide from the traffic. Knoxville, Tennessee. I wish it was during the day, but it's alright. We'll take a night ride tonight. Fuck yeah. Just happy to be getting out of Knoxville, headed to Chattanooga. Considering on westbound. Cool church steeple right there. Pretty cool building right over there too. There's an old train right there. Look at that shit, man. That would have been so cool to ride on that caboose right there. That would have been dope as shit right there. Tracks here. The bridge over there. Glad we picked up speed though for this part of the ride. Definitely like sharing our videos with everybody and showing everybody these awesome rides. We just left the Seaver Yard in Knoxville, Tennessee. So we successfully hopped out of the Seaver Yard, even though it said it was temporarily closed. It says on Google Maps. Obviously, it's not closed enough. So. That bridge right there. A lot of no trespassing signs right there. Must have been some home bump camps. Yeah, it's like a little shack right there. Still got leaves on the trees. That's a good sign. Winter's not yet here. Right there. Little building right there. Conductor by far is halfway decent. Not the best I've ever been on. Definitely not the worst either. We're just so happy to be getting out of Knoxville right now. Cops out here are dicks, man. I hate anybody that looks like train kids out here. wanted to show you guys the ride that we got out, and we'll see you guys later on Trains, Hobos, and Weirdos.